Yeah, number 8, right? 17 December 26. Number 8 is very unlucky. That's what they say. No, really
check.
Hello.
Need Akhil, huh? Akhil, where are you?
You've displaced Akhil on me from
No, he's right here.
Akhil. यार अखिल को बुला देना अखिल
He will not have time to stay back.
What are they doing with the league?
Introduce now, and maybe you can start with John P.
But they, I'm sure they'll solve it.
Akhil, you want to sit here?
How would you recover that one?
Yes. He came back. No, it didn't reach there. He didn't let it go.
उसके पास मनोज के पास है
आपको पानी चाहिए? बॉटल नहीं चाहिए?
They always need the bottle.
तो मैं सारी पी जाता हूँ.
Doesn't work that way.
सारी can we have somebody remove the bottles? They are insisting that they shouldn't be there. हाँ, ग्लास भी जाएगा, बॉटल जाएगा.
Broadcast rights for fine.
Okay, check. Name.
समझना पड़ता है. Meeting and then went into
We have his name written down with the date. With the date, the year. Alright, whenever आप लोग का हो जाएगा तो हम शुरू करें. Okay, हो गया पक्का? अभी they're not going anywhere. You have them with you. Sorry, I'm just going to be like blocking right in the middle. Okay, namaste. Good evening. Good evening. अच्छा एनर्जी है सबका? सब फेवरेट्स बैठे हैं आपके यहाँ पे? ठीक है. So पहले I just want to welcome you all. Thank you for being here with us today, and I hope you can hear me. Maybe we can up the sound a little bit. I would just want to give a warm welcome to the media who's here with us, our team that's here with us, our team owners who are here with us. आपको RPPL के बारे में थोड़ा सा बताना चाहते हैं because they are the reasons why we are here today, and they have put this whole Indian Racing League together, which has been put together with FI Formula 4 Indian Championship. And hum basically we're trying to create homegrown racing here in India, so the talent has within their own country an opportunity to basically do anything and everything that's related to motorsport. This company has been founded by Akhilesh Reddy, Arman Ibrahim and Aditya Patel from RPPL, and they have launched India's first seat circuit in Hyderabad, hosting the country's first night race. Night race देखा है कभी किसी ने? Night race. कार रेसिंग एट नाइट देखे? John sir ke dekhe. All right. And they have also done, the first night race. They have done the first city race in Hyderabad and many such events. But I know आप लोग सब अपने sir से और bosses से बात करना चाहते हैं, so I won't give you the details of it. But basically, RPPL is an association with United Motorsport Academy, and they launched the Launchpad for Indian motorsport engineers by giving young engineers an opportunity to get a hands-on experience on race cars in their own country. India got its first street circuit race in 2022 in Hyderabad, and the world's third street circuit night race and Asia's only second night street race in Chennai. So can we have a round of applause for RPPL, please? We do have our team here with us today. एक बार आपको इंट्रोड्यूस कर देते हैं. We have Mr. Saurav Ganguly here, who is the owner of the Kolkata Royal Tigers. एक बार तालियां उनके लिए हो जाए. We have Sir John Ibrahim here with us today from Team Goa Aces, JA Racing. We have Mr. Arjun Kapoor here with us today from Speed Demons Delhi. Guys, talia. We have Priya and Vineet from KKB, which is Bangalore. A round of applause for them. We have Ratul from Hyderabad Blackbirds. A round of applause for him. And Dr. Shweta from Chennai Turbo Riders. These are our teams. These are our owners. And I would like each one of you to say hi, say a few words, and then we will start with your question answers, all right? So...
Hi, a few words.
No, much more than that. A few words, many more words. I believe John has to leave soon, so we would love to start with you.
Yeah.
Have some words for him.
A big thank you to all of you for being here and supporting motorsport. On behalf of all the owners of all the teams, we're very happy being here. We had a fantastic drivers draft. If you saw last year's races, they were very, very exciting. And we hope this year is exciting as well, because a lot of the drivers have moved teams, so it's going to be very exciting for you guys to watch the Indian Racing League. So all the best to all the owners. Wish you all the best, and may the races begin.
May the races begin. Well said. Okay, anyone who wants to go next, sir? Saurav, sir?
Yeah, I'll just take it from where John left. Good wishes to all who are on this podium. My special wishes and a lot of thank you to Akhil, who actually makes this happen. All the effort he puts in, I know how much effort he puts in to get this going. Because it's not like cricket. So it's easier selling cricket than any other sport, and you must give credit to all, whether it's football, whether it's racing, whether it's hockey, the passion they have to get every other sport going. So our support, and I'm sure that's the case with all of us on this podium, to Akhil will continue, to the league will continue. We saw what it was last year, and there is definite progress made by Akhil and his team this season, and it will continue to be so, because no league comes absolutely ready and at its best at the beginning, and it keeps progressing with time. So I know with Akhil and his team around, and with John and everyone, and as I said on this table, Arjun and all other owners, I haven't met them. Last year I hadn't seen them. So with their support, we'll keep progressing with this league. We don't know where it will go, where it will finish, but at least there is an effort. There is an effort to make it successful, and I think that's what matters. So well done, Akhil, on all what you've done by putting this together.
Thank you, sir.
Putting this together, getting us all on the podium, going out of your way to help us to do things, because to be honest, other than John and Arjun, someone like me who's not very conversant with motorsport, but have just supported Akhil, we are just happy to support you and appreciate all what you do to get this going. So thank you to all of you here, the press. It's so good to see such a good turnaround for motorsport, and I hope you keep supporting it, because without everyone's support, this will not be successful. You know, sport is different. Sport should be looked at as a sport, whether it's cricket, football, hockey, racing, or any other sport. Look at it as a sport, and hopefully with all your support, this will keep progressing. Thank you, Akhil, and thanks for everyone who works behind the scenes to get this going.
Thank you so much. Well said, sir. Arjun?
No, I think they both said exactly
No,
what
no,
needs
no,
to be
no.
said here. No, it all starts from his vision. I think we're all happy and proud to be part of it. India as a culture is embracing more sport. Cricket will always be something that we all enjoy. We've all grown up. But I must give credit where credit is due. I think all of us have been able to come together because there was a vision to be able to promote racing. John, I think, has been ahead of his times. He's always been a vehement speaker about promoting other sports, whether it was football or now racing, and he does look good in a car or on a bike, as we have enough visual references.
He looks the best on the screen.
But yeah, it's amazing to have people from across the country who've come together to become the face of this league. I think it's a pan-India league. I think to have Kicha sir now part of it from Bangalore, I think it's just a growing league that needs love and support from the media today. It's very, very important to have them spread the word for the media to continue supporting the league, because it's at a nascent stage, like Dada said. जितना प्यार मिलेगा, जितने लोग देखेंगे, उतने young लोग inspire होंगे. It's a sport that is growing, it's developing. We would like to have our Indian drivers one day be there. I know अभी IMAX पे सबने जाके F1 देखी है. हमारे पास हमारे Brad Pitt यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं. And we would hope that a sport like that grows, a sport like this grows in our country, and we get amazing racers, amazing technology, and amazing people to come together to support and promote the sport for many, many years ahead. And all the best to all the teams. John's got the best driver. But apart from that, I'm hoping the league turns out to be fun. The races at night, which are going to be amazing and special. Last year, we were lucky to be in Chennai. It was a beautiful race to be part of, to watch a city come to a standstill, to watch these amazing cars and the noise that you hear.